Ta, 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 ta. It's an unboxing. Tiffany from Kate Spade here. How much do we love this packaging? She is delish, Dolly Dish. She is so deluxe. What I love about her is not only the color combination, what's better than that, but it is so lightweight but sturdy. The box is so fantastic. I hate lugging around a heavy box. And when you open her up, how amazing that we have our lovely floral spade pattern tissue. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Ooh, they knew exactly what to get me. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. The beautiful Nicola hardware, it is so deluxe. And I love that it's a heart right now. Is it a heart or butt? That satisfying click shows me it is absolutely a spade. How fantastic is this bag? It is the medium size. What I love about it is her plunging neckline. And you know, your girl loves a good fashion statement. This is straight from her spring campaign in the runway. The color is magnificent. This video cannot do it justice. We also have this amazing plunging neckline in the handbag with the pocket. Then you have your zipper pocket. And what's this? Another pocket right here. Love a good hidden pocket. Love to throw a few extra hidden shekels in there. Hide it from the husband. What's better than the strap? You can wear it absolutely as a shoulder, and you can also wear it as a crossbody, and has this amazing detail so that it's easy to fix. What's better than her? Do you love her? I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love.